Well, guys, we are here at, let's see, lights. So there's some light. Now, this is Hotel Adagio at Balderop. Just saw the entrance. There's something here. I think it's yeah, it's just the lights. And got a cupboard. Which has not been cleaned. And you have a safe. And when you go in here, you have a toilet. You got a shower separate. That's actually good. I actually like it when it's separated, but it's gotten better. So not good enough. Hey guys. And this is the soap you get. They do need some upkeeping though. Correct. And you got some more soap over there. Then you have this small doorway you have to go through to a separate bedroom. With another closet. There's enough closet space, that's for sure. And you have plenty of space here for your clothes. And when you go here, you can actually access the balcony. And you have actually not a bad view. I like that. Let's go back inside. And then you have the sitting area here. And have a TV. The double bed sofa, which becomes a bed when you pull it out. It seems a bit outdated, like, look at that. Oh, you have everything here for the bed. This closet. You have a pantry. So you can buy all your groceries and put it here. It's actually pretty nice. A fridge. With a freezer. And just for the record, the drawer is actually broken. Right there. And there. And you got a dishwasher. Just be aware before you use it that it's cleaned properly. Yeah. garbage bin. And you get some soaps for the machine to start with and to wash your dishes. Cups, mugs, and cutting board. But as you can see, there's only 3 here. There's supposed to be 4. But there's no list of what they're supposed to be in the room, what's not supposed to be in the room. So I don't want to be charged, or I don't want anyone to get charged for something that I don't have, but you never know. Some cutlery, glasses, plates. I think there must be some pots and pans because, yeah, and you have some pots and pans there. Well, let's go check out the rest of the hotel.